Happy new 2023, guys! We made it! Today I want to show you how I made these earrings. It's completely made from scratch. Even those little chain. I think I am still under the holiday influence, seriously. Because nothing comes to my brain except something sparkly, something very fancy. I made also necklace that will be matching, not done completely, but there is a tons of different shapes of the stones and handcrafted chain. So let's pick up some wires and start wire wrapping. So we will start with the frame. Any wire you want to use. This one I use 21 gauge. I will use slightly thicker for my copper because I have the thicker one. But you can use 21 and then hammer it just like I did with the sterling silver. I will use my veil maker pliers. Wires, I straighten the wire. I will leave quite a long tail. Not sure if I have here yes, I do. The tail will be like 3 inches, a little bit more than 3 inches, it's fine. And we can make those first loops. We need 3 of them. So there's 1, and I'm going the other direction, because we need that little tail for us to make the top of the earring. When I did my necklace, I just used those, just like that. You can put them nicely so they will be straight. Okay. Because the wire is so long, I will just cut. It will be easier for me. I actually form it by hand, this part. Sorry, my dog's getting crazy. So we will make both sides. I form it by hand, but you can use maybe round nose pliers if you want to make this curve perfect. I always do it by hand. Let's see, where's my sterling silver earrings? So this is slightly thicker. It's not 21 gauge, but I still want to make it same shape. Okay. When they meet, when you're happy with the shape, you just hold them together and just go around one wire, nicely chop the end. Just looks like we'll have today snow. It looks so dark outside. And I will cut the top. Now when you have your frame, you can nicely hammer it, just both sides, not these. And the fun part is the chain. I will use tons of 24 gauge and 26 gauge. I have a little pieces, always have them, like a scrap wire that I collect, and I will use my torch on both sides, just for as a reference. After that's not, they don't have to be exactly same, they could be different length, but like from two in one fourth, or two, or even less than a 2 1 3/4, something like that. You know, you can use all kinds of scrap wire for this project. And what I do is I would use, because if you count the smaller number 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? I use number 3 and number 4 for this chain. If I have larger pieces, I use number 4. So just form around your bail maker pliers, like something like that. It's chain for the beginners, but I don't use this chain for let's say for the necklaces, because it's not strong enough, I guess. But for projects like this, it's perfect. So, and then you use your other pliers, and when they meet, I'll just go inside and simply wrap around. Just simply wrap around. Be careful with the top, with this little guy, because it can be easily damaged, and just be careful. And you just wrap around like this. Perfect. So we have one. Then I want to do again, so just wrap like this all the way, and we put inside your pliers, and that's very repetitive. Okay, so we create first project in 2023. Long earrings. Okay, I'm just done with that, and I want to show you necklace, because for the earrings, the pair that I this is the copper one that we play, but for the sterling silver one that I finish, I put at the end, I use a labradorite. Just put 3 of them here and 2 on each end here, because I want to match it to this necklace. And if you have any, let's say, commercially made chains, which I now barely use it, but it could be nice access to your asymmetrical pieces. I never like symmetrical, like something very organic and non-symmetrical. And I use tons of different shape of labradorite in this piece, like this, and different also, then the long stick of those. Yeah, and I try to, later I will put some more beads in the loops also. Yeah, maybe randomly, maybe in the middle few, and maybe over here few. Will look beautiful. Will look something matching with the earrings. I know it's a very simple project, but sometimes simple is good. I hope you guys enjoy this, and leave me a comments below. Thank you for being with me, and let's wire wrap amazing stuff in 2023. I'm very excited for the whole year. Thank you guys, and I will see you next Tuesday. Bye.